everyone, friends and family and friends. I just wanted to basically just before everyone goes to bed, just we all need words of encouragement, and I'm one who definitely needs words of encouragement. Everyone right now that is in my circle, and I'm sure that everyone else who is outside of my circle may feel the same way, but the devil is really trying us. I can talk all day about everything different that's going wrong in my life and that's going wrong in my circle's life and going wrong in family's life, friends' life, but I'm not going to do that. I just want everyone to know that God is working with us and he's trying to show us something. All of us can't be going through the same, either it's financial or if it's relationships, if it's something, anything that you're going through right now that you're like, really, why me, God? All of us can't be going through this at the same time if it wasn't a greater reason at the end. And I can just imagine the blessing that he has for us, that it's just something that he's trying to teach us, whether it be, not to stress. We can't stress. I've been told that, Shade, you can't stress if you're going to trust him. And I know that I can't. I'm a warrior. And, I don't claim that anymore. I used to say, well, I can't help it. I can't help but to worry. But now I'm just like, God, it's in your hands. And once we get through the obstacles that we're going through right now, we're going to say, really, God, that's all it was? It was something that simple that you were trying to teach me and trying to show me. And I went over and beyond and was trying to figure out, what is God trying to show me? And this is what it was. It may be something as simple as trusting him, or something as simple as I don't even know, because everyone's different. But I just want you guys to know that it is blessing season. Things may seem like you have hit rock bottom. He's not going to allow you to fail. He's not going to allow you to feel like you can't trust him. He's just going to take us there. He's going to allow us to get to that point where finally in our head, we're going to click and say, you know what, God, I get it. I get what you're trying to tell me. I get what you're trying to show me. I get the changes that I need to make inside of my life. He all knows that we're a work in progress. It's nothing that's too big or too small for him. We just have to know what he wants us to do on our end, and we have to know that we can trust him at any time. And I just want everyone to know that, you're not alone. We're all here. I've been in your shoes. You've probably been in my shoes without me putting in my business out there. We're all going through it for a reason. My reason is not the same reason for your reason. So the things that you're stressing about, even if we're stressing about the same things, I'm not going to go through the same thing that you went through. I'm not going to stress the same way. Whatever God reveals to you and you say, you know what, this is what God revealed for me, that may not be the same thing that I need to work on. So take it a day at a time, and remember that you can trust God, and remember that you can talk to him any kind of way. You don't have to always drop to your knees and pray and speak in tongues. You talk to God the way that you want to talk to God. He hears us at our brokenest hour. God understands us. I know I'm one that when I pray to God, sometimes I may get on my knees, but other times I sit there and I have a conversation with him like I'm talking to you guys. So just remember that God is listening to you. Even when you feel that he's not listening and he's not there, he's there. And just remember to trust him. And just remember that I love you guys. And if anyone needs to talk, I'm here. And I know I can do the same for a lot of you. Good night.